Are you ready to unlock the power of fresh, homemade juice? In today's video, I'm sharing my top picks for the best juicers to help you make delicious and nutritious juices. From powerful masticating juicers to best speed centrifugal juicers, I've got you covered. Don't forget to check the description for links to all the juicers mentioned in this video. Number 5. On number 5, we have Magimix Juice Expert 3. It's a versatile and efficient juicer that offers a range of features to cater to various juicing needs. With its sleek design and powerful motor, it effortlessly extracts juice from a variety of fruits and vegetables, preserving their natural goodness. Now talk about its notable key features. Key feature number 1 is its 3-in-1 functionality. The Juice Expert 3 excels as a centrifugal juicer, cold press juicer, and citrus press, providing versatility for different juicing styles. Number 2, it has cold press technology. The cold press function allows for gentle extraction, preserving vitamins and minerals while minimizing oxidation. Number 3, it also has high-speed centrifugal juicing. The centrifugal juicing mode is ideal for quick and efficient juice extraction, perfect for everyday use. Number 4, it also has citrus press system. The dedicated citrus press ensures maximum juice yield from lemons, oranges, and other citrus fruits. Number 5, it also has large pulp bin. The spacious pulp bin reduces the need for frequent emptying, making juicing sessions more convenient. Number 6, it also has easy cleaning. Most parts of the Juice Expert 3 are dishwasher safe, simplifying the cleaning process. Number 7, it has beautiful sleek design. The compact and stylish design fits seamlessly into any modern kitchen. Final verdict: the Magimix Juice Expert 3 is a premium juicer that delivers exceptional performance and versatility. Whether you're a health enthusiast seeking nutrient-rich juices or simply enjoy a refreshing glass of juice, this machine has you covered. Its powerful motor, multiple functions, and user-friendly design make it a worthwhile investment for any kitchen. Number 4. On number 4, we have Smeg CJF01 Citrus Juicer. It's a delightful fusion of form and function. This retro-inspired appliance doesn't just squeeze citrus fruits. It adds a touch of vintage elegance to your kitchen countertop. With its powerful motor and sleek design, the CJF01 makes juicing a breeze, delivering fresh, flavorful juice in no time. Now talk about its notable key features. Key feature number 1, it has powerful 70-watt motor. Effortlessly extracts juice from various citrus fruits, including oranges, lemons, and limes. Number 2, it also has integrated on and off sensor. It can automatically start and stops the juicing process, ensuring efficient operation. Number 3, it also has non-drip spout. It prevents messy spills and keeps your kitchen clean. Number 4, it has easy-to-clean design. Its removable parts are dishwasher safe for hassle-free cleaning. Number 5, it also has stylish retro design. It is available in a range of vibrant colors to complement any kitchen decor. Final verdict: the Smeg CJF01 Citrus Juicer is a fantastic choice for anyone who appreciates both style and substance. Its powerful motor, user-friendly features, and iconic design make it a standout appliance. Whether you're a seasoned home cook or a casual juicer, the CJF01 will elevate your morning routine and add a touch of retro charm to your kitchen. Number 3. On number 3, we have Kuvings Whole Slow Juicer. It's a premium juicing appliance designed to extract the maximum nutritional value from your fruits and vegetables. With its innovative slow-speed masticating technology, this juicer gently crushes and presses ingredients, preserving essential vitamins, minerals, and enzymes. This gentle process results in nutrient-rich, flavorful juice that's perfect for a healthy lifestyle. Now talk about its notable key features. Key feature number 1 is its slow-speed masticating technology. This technology crushes and presses ingredients at a low speed, minimizing heat and oxidation, which can degrade nutrients. Number 2, it also has wide mouth feed chute. It accommodates whole fruits and vegetables, reducing prep time and effort. Number 3, it also has versatile functionality. Beyond juicing, this machine can also create nut milk, sorbets, and baby food. It is also easy to clean. Its removable parts are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Final verdict. If you're serious about maximizing the nutritional benefits of your fruits and vegetables, the Kuvings Whole Slow Juicer is an excellent investment. Its slow speed technology, versatility, and ease of use make it a top choice for health-conscious individuals. While it may be a bit more expensive than traditional juicers, the superior quality and longevity justify the price tag. With the Kuvings Whole Slow Juicer, you can enjoy delicious, nutrient-packed juice every day. Number 2. On number 2 we have Breville Juice Fountain Cold. It's a high-performance juicer, which is designed to extract maximum nutrients from your favorite fruits and vegetables. This innovative juicer employs a cold press extraction system that minimizes heat and oxidation, preserving the delicate vitamins and enzymes often lost in traditional juicers. Now talk about its notable key features. Key feature number 1 is its cold spin technology. This cutting-edge technology extracts juice at low temperatures, preserving essential nutrients and producing vibrant, flavorful juice. Number 2. Extra wide chute feed. The 3-inch chute allows you to juice whole fruits and vegetables, saving you time and effort. Number 3. It also has high torque motor. The powerful 1,250-watt motor efficiently processes even the toughest produce, ensuring a smooth and consistent juicing experience. Number 4. It has Italian-made precision mesh filter. This fine mesh filter extracts maximum juice while minimizing pulp and foam. Number 5. Large pulp bin and juice jug. The spacious pulp bin and 70-ounce juice jug reduce the need for frequent emptying, making juicing a breeze. It also has easy-to-clean design. The detachable parts are dishwasher safe, simplifying the cleaning process. Final verdict. The Breville Juice Fountain Cold is an excellent choice for health-conscious individuals seeking a high-quality juicer. Its cold press technology, powerful motor, and user-friendly design make it a standout in the market. If you're looking to enjoy nutrient-rich, delicious juice, the Breville Juice Fountain Cold is definitely worth considering. Now talk about number 1. On number 1 we have Omega Masticating Juicer. It's a powerhouse in the world of juicing, renowned for its exceptional performance and versatility. This slow-speed juicer utilizes a masticating process, gently crushing and pressing fruits and vegetables to extract the maximum amount of juice and nutrients. Unlike traditional centrifugal juicers, which can generate heat and oxidation, Omega's masticating technology preserves the delicate enzymes and vitamins, resulting in a healthier and tastier juice. Now talk about its key features. Key feature number 1 is its slow masticating technology. This gentle process minimizes heat and oxidation, preserving the nutritional value of your juice. Number 2. It also has versatile juicing system. It handles a wide range of fruits and vegetables, including leafy greens, wheatgrass, and soft fruits. Number 3. It has high juice yield. It extracts more juice from produce compared to centrifugal juicers. It also produces dry pulp, indicating efficient juice extraction. It is built to last with high-quality materials. It also has simple disassembly and cleaning process. Number 4. It also has quiet operation system, smooth and quiet operation, making it ideal for any kitchen. It can be used to make nut butter, baby food, and sauces. Final verdict. The Omega Masticating Juicer is an excellent investment for health-conscious individuals seeking a high-quality juicing experience. Its ability to preserve nutrients, versatility, and durability make it a top choice among juicers. If you're looking to optimize your juice intake and enjoy the full spectrum of flavors and health benefits, the Omega Masticating Juicer is definitely best for you. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has inspired you to start juicing and making healthier choices. Remember, fresh, homemade juice is the way to go. Don't forget to check the description for links to all the juicers mentioned in this video. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Until next time, happy juicing!